I hate money. We don't need money. We need moral. We need principles. That should be our commerce. Our principles and morals should be our commerce. I hate that we need some third party for us to have morals. And then that third party makes people lazy, immoral. Don't have to be moral if you have money, because money is your power, not your moral. If your moral were your power, then you wouldn't need a third party to come in and construct to make you exist. You should have a compass within your heart built on the knowledge that gives you divine morals and principles to use as commerce. Love thy neighbor as you love yourself should be the commerce. Greed, no. Greed is a sin. Gluttony, sin. Lustful to the wrong things, sin. Those are our commerce. That is what should be our money, not a paper that you can collect. We wouldn't need money if we had morals. Nothing else in nature uses money.